Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dianna in the kitchen, and on today's episode I'll be showing you how I prepare my fried rice. Alright, so for this version I'll be using some egg, spinach and chorizo along with some other vegetables, but you can use any combination of protein and vegetables that you like. So for a quick breakdown in the ingredients, I have about 4 cups of day-old rice, and I also have some spinach. I have a half of a medium carrot that's been finely diced. I have some chorizo, it's about 1 cup. I have 4 large eggs beaten and seasoned with a little bit of salt. I also have some dark soy sauce right here. I think it's about 3 tablespoons, and some ginger, right? And we also have some escellion, and we have half of a large bell pepper that I just finely diced as well. Over here, I have some salt along with some red pepper flakes. So the first thing we're going to do is to heat up our pan, and I'm using my wok for this. And because mine is heated, what I'm going to do is to add the chorizo as well as the carrots. And we're just going to saute this. I have the pan lightly greased because, as you may know, chorizo already has some oil in it, and I don't want my final dish to be too greasy. So we'll be sauteing on medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. We don't want the carrots getting too soft. We still want them to maintain that crunch. Alright? So 2 minutes on medium-high and no more. The chorizo is already fully cooked, so we just need it to eat through. Alright, so now that this looks like that, what we're going to add next is our bell pepper. And we are going to continue sauteing for another minute, after which we'll be adding our spinach. Alright, so our spinach will be going in now, and just brush all those veggies to the side. And we just want to wilt them enough, so as soon as you start seeing them, the bulk starts to reduce, we can go ahead and rest these on a separate plate. But before we do that, I'm just going to season the spinach itself with a pinch of salt. Isn't this looking beautiful? So the next thing we're going to do is our eggs. Our eggs are going in, and we want them to be light and fluffy. So what we're going to do is just to give this a couple seconds, and as soon as you see it start to bubble up, just move it from side to side. You just continue working on this until the eggs are cooked. And they will take less than 2 minutes to cook actually. And as soon as these are done, we're going to transfer them to another dish until we work on the rest of the ingredients. All right, there you have it. So the next thing we're going to work on is our rice. And we're still keeping our flame on medium for this one, but we're going to need some additional oil. So you'll need about a teaspoon of oil thereabouts. And we're just going to dump in our rice. And because this was in the fridge, we want it to eat through properly. So I'm just going to allow this to eat through on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Alright, so our rice has been heating for about 6 minutes, but it has been thoroughly heated through. So the next thing we're going to add is our soy sauce mixture, as well as all the vegetables, egg, and the spinach and the chorizo that we put aside. So we're adding our soy sauce, and how much you add is dependent on how dark you like your fried rice. It will evaporate pretty quickly, so you have to be very quick with this. Just ensure that it is mixed thoroughly. Mix it now so you're not seeing any white spots. I mean, if you see 1 and 2, it's okay. And I'm also going to add at this point the red pepper flakes. And that's just for an additional kick because everything so far is mild. Just going to add a little bit more of our soy sauce. So personally, I don't like when my fried rice is too dark, and that's one of the main reasons I don't eat it when I go out, because either it's too dark or it's too oily. Alright, so we're going to now add everything, all the ingredients, and we're going to mix in everything thoroughly. You can break up the eggs if they're looking too big. Just make sure everything is properly dispersed, and we're going to finish off with our Escellion. So we're just going to sprinkle this all over. And believe it or not, we are finished. Alright, so this is our final meal, and I'll be just plating up and letting you guys see everything. There you have it, guys. Our fried rice is complete. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Remember that the full recipe and the measurements will be down in the description box below. Feel free to follow me on all socials, and the link for that will also be in the description box. Alright, so until next time, this is Dianna in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright, so until next time, this is Dianna in the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching.